Welcome to Peaceful Pause. Find a quiet and comfortable space. Sit or lie down. And let's begin. Begin by closing your eyes gently and bring the awareness to your breath. Slowly start to deepen your breath. Hold it for a moment. And then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Let's take 2 more deep breaths together. Now, bring your awareness to the present moment. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. With each breath, let go of any thoughts about the past or future. Be fully present in this moment. Shift your attention to your body. Starting from the top of your head, slowly scan down to your toes. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. With each exhale, release that tension, allowing your body to relax. Continue scanning and releasing any stored tension. Focus your attention on your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath. The inhalation and exhalation. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide it back to the sensation of your breath. Let the breath anchor you to the present moment. Visualize a peaceful place within yourself. This is your inner sanctuary. It could be a beach, a forest, or any place that brings you a sense of calm. Picture the details vividly. The colors, the sounds, and the smells. This is your safe and tranquil space. As thoughts come into your mind, acknowledge them without judgment, and then gently let them go. Picture each thought floating away, like leaves on a stream. Bring your focus back to your breath or your inner sanctuary. Extend feelings of love and kindness towards yourself. Repeat silently or aloud. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I be at peace. Feel the warmth of these wishes filling your heart. Bring to mind 3 things you are grateful for. Reflect on the positive aspects of your life and savor the feelings of gratitude. Let these feelings of appreciation fill your heart. As we conclude this meditation, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of inner peace with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation for inner peace.